Hello everyone, how are you today? Hope everybody is fine and safe. I'm your teacher Jem Raymond and today, let me show to you the full list of schools division offices and national high schools na nabigyan na po ng Notice of Cash Allocations or NCA ng kanilang Performance-Based Bonus or PBB 2022. Ang NCA na to ang magiging basihan ng mga government servicing banks at ng ating respective agencies para ma-process na po ang PBB 2022 benefits patungo sa mga individual payroll accounts ng ating eligible employees o ating mga teachers. Tingnan nyo po ito, baka andito na sa list ang mga names ng schools ninyo at naka-arrange na po ito alphabetically per region para hindi na po kayo mahirapan sa paghahanap. Ito yung list ng schools division offices from Region 7 na may Notice of Allocations or NCA from DBM. Ang NCA nila ay na-release from August 21 to 22, 2024. Kung maalala ninyo, na-releasean sila ng SARO last August 20, 2024. Bandang alas 4 na ng hapon. Andito na po pala ang NCA ng mga elementary schools na kasama na sa kanilang schools division offices. Ito naman po yung mga list of schools division offices na may NCA na from DBM mula sa DepEd Region 3, Central Luzon. Andito na po sa mga SDO ang mga NCA ng mga elementary schools from DepEd Region 3. Na-release po yung NCA nila noong August 19, 20, 21 at saka 22. At kung matatandaan natin, naka-receive ng SARO ang DepEd Region 3 noong August 19, 2024. Ito naman po yung list ng national high schools from DepEd Region 3 na may NCA na nagsisimula sa letter A to letter B. Ito naman po yung list ng national high schools from DepEd Region 3 na nagsisimula sa letter B to letter C na may mga SARO na po. Here's another list of national high schools from DepEd Region 3 na nagsisimula sa letter C to letter D. Lahat po sila ay may Notice of Cash Allocations na po from DBM. Ito naman po yung list of SDO from DepEd Region 8 o Eastern Visayas na may NCA na. Again, andito na din yung NCA ng mga elementary schools sa kanilang SDO. Na-release ito noong August 13, 14, 15 at saka 16. At kung matatandaan ninyo, ang SARO naman nila ay na-release noong August 13 to 15, 2024. Ito naman po yung list ng national high schools from DepEd Region 8 with the name starts with letter A to letter L. May NCA na din yung mga schools na to from DepEd Region 8 na nagsisimula sa letter L to letter T. And here's the last batch from DepEd Region 8 na national high schools na may NCA na that starts from letter T to letter W. Ito naman po yung mga SDO from National Capital Region or NCR na may Notice of Cash Allocations or NCA at na-release po ito noong August 14, 2024. At kung matatandaan ninyo, ang SARO nila ay na-release din noong August 14, 2024. Andito na din yung NCA ng mga elementary schools sa kanilang mga SDO offices. Ito naman po yung mga list of national high schools from NCR na may NCA na. And this is the list shows the names of the national high schools that starts from letter A to letter G. May NCA na po yung mga schools na to from NCR na nagsisimula sa letter H to letter P. Ito naman po yung mga list of national high schools from NCR na may NCA na po na nagsisimula sa letter P to letter W. At ito naman po yung mga list of SDO from Region 5 na may NCA na as of August 19 to 12, 2024. Sila yung pinakaunang region na nareleasan ng SARO noong August 7, 2024. For sure by now, they received already their PBB 2022. Ito naman po yung mga list from national high schools from Bicol Region where the name starts with letter A to letter C. Ito naman po yung list of national high schools from Bicol Region na nagsisimula sa letter C to letter M. And this is again the list of national high schools from Bicol Region na nagsisimula sa letter M to letter S. And here's the last batch of the list of national high schools from Bicol Region where the name starts with letter S to letter Z. That's all for this video, teachers, and thank you so much for watching. Please click like and share and also subscribe button below to keep updated po for my future videos, especially on education related matters. Thank you so much again, and till next time, keep safe everyone!